Dear brothers and sisters, a companion came, a Bedouin companion, to Prophet ﷺ, and he said, "O Prophet of Allah, you people kiss boys?" The Prophet said, "Yes." And then the man said, "We do not kiss boys in our tribe." You know what Prophet said? "I cannot put mercy in your heart after Allah has taken it away from it." Very, very serious things. So dear brothers and sisters, what are we learning from this hadith? Kissing children is a sign of mercy from Allah. Kissing and hugging your children, regardless if they are boys or girls. Build a bond with your children. Build a bond with your children. The children should love you as parents, as a friend. That's the most important thing. Develop a very good relationship with your children. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala